Welcome to YzooFun. I guess that's the pronunciation. So it says it's a Web3 secure wallet. So this is a web page and you have two options here: create a new wallet or import an existing wallet. So let's click on create new wallet. So it has generated 12 words for me, right? So you will copy these words, you write it down. That's the most recommended way of saving your passphrase or passkeys, right? So you'll be required to provide an invite code. So you will use my invite code, right? You paste it here, and then after saving this, you click on I have saved it, continue. It says I've got $2 on my balance, right? 5 ZFUN at 40 cents, and that's how much I've received, right? So that's why I have $2 worth. And other assets on the portfolio are Solana, Theta, USDT. It's nothing, right? They have nothing here. So they're talking about referrals here: private sale and lucky $1 to $1,000 earn, 20 referrals and 100 ZFUN needed. I don't even know what that means. Oh, lucky spin, 2 spins per day. Okay, let's spin. You need at least 20 referrals to unlock lucky spin. Okay, so I guess that's why it's saying $1 to $1,000, right? So you tap on the this tab here and it will take you to the wheel of fortune, right? So let's explore. So let's start with the swap button here. So it says exchange fund to USDT. So let's enter 5 and this will give us 2 USDT and the network fee is required, right? So maybe if you have some Solana on some wallet somewhere, you can just import the wallet to save yourself the stress of trying to pay another gas fee to send Solana here to, try to see if this actually works, right? That's just, my opinion and a way of saving costs. Let's click on Airdrop here. So there are tasks here to complete. Let's complete the Telegram task. Click on join. So this is the channel. Alright, so it says claim. I've claimed 1 ZFUN. Another task is to follow on Twitter, like and repost, So let's go back to my portfolio and it says I have 28 YzooFun after completing some of the tasks. Just imagine how many I will have, how much I will have if I actually completed all of the tasks. That's for the airdrop page. Now let's click on invite here. So here you find your referral link and you will earn 5 ZFUN for every friend you invite. So here are the people who pin asses on the leaderboard, right? This is the ranks for the top 10 top leaders. Okay, that's great. So there you have it, guys. That's it about ZFUN. So it's a new project. This is a Twitter page, YzooFun official, with a followership of 3,788. YzooFun wallet presale update. Big update. Download wallet, presale, this and that. So guys, this is it. This is no financial advice. As you can see, the video is strictly about airdrop. It's not talking about any buying here. I just saw an opportunity of earning free tokens. That's why I'm sharing, right? So you look it up, and if it's something you can be engaged in, I'm happy for you. If you don't like it or think otherwise about it, you are good to move. Thanks, and do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.